Hello, this is Brendan Doyle, and this is my fifth assignment for Introduction into Ammunition and Basic Ballistics. Today is July 3rd, 2025. Let's get started. Today, we're going to talk about barrel harmonies. What is barrel harmonies, you be asking? Well, from the guntweaks.com, they say harmonies is just a fancy word for vibration. Which makes sense. After all, it's a little controlled explosion going off in your bullet thrower. There's bound to be a little bit of shock waves from that, and no amount of grip strength or steadiness is going to eliminate that entirely. Those vibrations are going to hurt your accuracy. Now, let's use a little critical thinking. What would be a great way to mitigate harmonies from firearm characteristics? Well, my first thoughts would be what kind of material would definitely dampen vibrations. But I don't think rubber would work in use of firearms due to the heat slowly destroying it. Maybe the weight of it and the mass might be able to allow the firearm to absorb more of the vibrations, spreading it out. But let's not just do some critical thinking, let's do some research. Guntweaks.com and Hidden Homestead YouTube channel say that the mass does help, but the barrel also needs to be shorter to help reduce those harmonies. It seems the longer and thinner barrels are more susceptible to gun harmonies messing with your accuracy. But we also know that barrel length also helps with accuracy because you know how it is. The stub nose, they're not really all that accurate. You need a little bit longer barrel. So let's try to find a good middle ground for there. Gun Tweaks and the Hidden Homesteader YouTube channel also say that bedding is a really good option to reduce vibrations. Bedding is a method that supports the barrel along the length, applying a steady pressure against it at a single point, best for thinner, longer barrels. But for those thicker and shorter barrels, free floating is best. This allows for the natural vibrations to go through the barrel and not cause any unnecessary vibrations in it. And now we'll wrap it up and finish with will environmental factors and damage affect barrel harmonies? Before doing research, yes, temperatures can definitely change harmonies by tightening and expanding the metal due to heat or cold. After doing my research, as said by the Hidden Homesteaders YouTube channel, a number of factors can affect barrel harmonies: temperature, humidity, air pressure, and as for the damages, would it affect it? Well, if the temperatures can cause the metal to expand and contract, messing with the barrel harmonies, then changing the shape of the firearm by damaging it would definitely. But as for that, that'll be it for now. The locations for the information that I've gotten for this video will be in the description below. Thank you, guntweaks.com and the Hidden Homestead YouTube channel. And with that, have a great day, everyone.